Hello and welcome back to Hard Reset Info. In this video, I will show you how to mount GoPro MAX 360 on the helmet. Let's begin! Now, to be clear with you, I'm not going to exactly mount on the helmet on this video specifically, since in order to mount something on a helmet, you need to remove the protective fiber from this one. This will show a nice glue, and you can actually see it on official tutorial that you want to take this, remove the glue and put it onto your helmet. I am not going to do that because, well, I don't really have a helmet and I'm not entirely sure if you can remove it later. But everything I will cover will rely on this piece of device, piece of plastic that later we can use to click and attach it to a helmet. But how can we attach this piece to our GoPro itself? Well, first we want to simply move our GoPro downwards and take these two things here. So now it's looking like this one. Also, technically I do have it turned on, you don't really have to, it's completely up to you. Now, after you have done that, you want to put it right here. So as you can see, both of these. Okay, actually maybe I will turn it off just so I didn't accidentally click anything. Beautiful. So as you can see, both this and also this have some holes inside. So we want to put it inside, so the holes will be, oh, that's pretty stupid. Let me try that once again. We can actually use our fingers to press and hold it. Oh, finally. So as you can see now, it's going pretty smooth. You want to center it, and after it's something like this, we can also adjust it, how it's looking, or even better, you can just turn it so it's actually facing different way. It's completely up to you, of course. And now we want to take this piece that was inside the box, and you want to simply put it all the way. So you want to make sure that it is centered, so the bolt can be put. And now we want to simply screw it in. So let's simply screw it. As you can see, it is working. We also have some last readjustment, so at this point we can readjust it. But if we go any further and we screw it pretty hard, we won't be able to do it. So as you can see, it is really sturdy and we cannot really change it. Now, about the piece that then later gets attached to a helmet, we want to simply take the little fabric thing up. So as you can see now, it's something like this. And now we can simply squeeze it in. Our little, oh, just like that. You don't really have the ability to put it down, but that's okay. And to be honest, that's it. We do have our nice GoPro thing here. Now, as I said before, you want to probably remove the protective film here and put it on the helmet, or alternatively, if you want to follow the tutorial, first you want to put it on the helmet and then you want to put everything else. And by the way, if you want to remove it, you want to simply press very hard to remove it from the plastic. And now we can use GoPro or like mount it into some sort of tripod or whatever. And by the way, if you want to know how to mount your GoPro onto tripod, I will record the video in a moment, so if you want to, you can check it out. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and as always, thanks for watching.